Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are recreating this orange bronze eye look and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get into it. For primer, I'm using Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Potion Primer. It is seriously my favorite one to use. It helps my eyeshadow stay all day and it doesn't crease. For contour, I am doing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit for fair skin. I'm going in with an angled concealer brush into shadow, and I'm contouring my cheeks and my forehead. And then I'm going to blend that out as best I can with an angled fluffy brush. Then I'm using Benefit's Get the Pretty Started palette, and I am using the same brush and putting the Hoola bronzer on where I contoured to help blend it out a little bit more. And for blush, I'm using the Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette, and I'm using Paranoid. And the brush that I'm using for my blush is kind of a flat, fluffy brush. The eyeshadow palette I'm using for this look is the Morphe 35O2 Second Nature. The first eyeshadow you're going to use is kind of this light brownish orange color. You're going to sweep it into your crease and blend it up towards your eyebrow. The next color you're going to use is this burnt orange color, and you're going to apply that straight onto the crease. It should overlap with that first color you had. You are going to use the same brush that you applied the first color with and blend that burnt orange into the crease and up towards the brow bone. For the lid, we're going to go into that bronze and orange shimmer shades, and you'll pack it onto the lid and sweep it across and don't blend it out. You're going to repeat that look onto your other eye. You're going to take that burnt orange on a fluffy small blending brush and sweep it across the lower lash line. For my eyeliner, I used Kat Von D's Ink Liner and Trooper, and I swept my liner across the lash line, and then I put on some mascara, and that was the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara, and I put on Ardell Wispy Lashes. Next, you'll take a small flat brush and use that bronze shade we mixed with the orange and sweep it right under your lower lashes. Next, I lined my waterline with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Torch. Then I swiped on some of that same Essence mascara onto my lower lashes. And then to highlight my eyes, I went back into the Urban Decay Sin palette and used the highlight Sin to highlight the inner corner and my brow bone. Now for my all over highlighter, I'm going to use the same palette but use PSA and Sin to highlight my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Next, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to line and fill my lips with Kat Von D's Everlasting Lip Liner in Lolita. Then over that, I'm going to use NYX Shimmer Down Lip Veil in Honey Pie. Last but not least, I'm going to set my face with the Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. And Urban Decay's De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. These two together are phenomenal, and my makeup usually stays really, really well with using both of these. And there you guys have it. There's the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.